Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelations DirectX 12 not supported, missing. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to open a new Chrome tab, type in DirectX 12 download, and you want to search for it. Now click the first link, DirectX End User Runtime Installer, and you want to click download, and you simply let it download. And now you want to open it. Click yes. You can exit out of this. Now click accept the agreement. Don't install the Bing bar, untick it. And now let it install the DirectX. And I already have it installed for you. It will install it. Now you want to click finish. Now to check which version of DirectX you have installed, you want to go to search, type in EXTIAG. And you want to click open, and it will open the DirectX diagnostics. And here it will say DirectX version, and for me it's 12. For you, it might be like 11.2 or something. Note that if you have older hardware, which might not support DirectX 12, so you're like unable to install it. To check if your PC, if you have like older hardware, supports the DirectX 12, you want to look up on like Google, type which processor you have, which motherboard you have, and then type, does my and GPU, does it support the DirectX 12 or not? Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelations DirectX 12 not supported, missing. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.